External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said that engagement between India and Australia extend from the sea to space, covering all possible areas. He added that the areas include defense and security, cyber and critical technology, trade and economic, science and technology, and people-to-people ties. Dr. Jaishankar was virtually addressing the 6th edition of the Australian-India Leadership Dialogue today. He said that another driving force of our relationship is the convergence in our understanding of an approach to the geostrategic environment, particularly in our common Indo-Pacific region.
AILD has quite aptly used the phrase Bridges of Bharosa as one of its themes. In this complicated world, it is the bharosa or trust between like-minded partners such as India and Australia, along with others, that is helping us in our efforts to secure a free, open, peaceful and prosperous Indo-Pacific region along with a rules-based international order.